Today, pick up potato. Hi guys, today pick up potato. Hi guys, so today I'm picking up potatoes. And I am not the only one video. I only pick up potatoes. Those are the potatoes that I'm picking up. Some of them are large, but some of them are small. These are all the potatoes that Mommy did. I think they look so yummy.
So you like potato?
Yeah, it's looking like mashed potato.
Okay.
We're about to make more French fries with this.
Okay, well mix some.
Or you can make mashed potatoes. At the wagon will get heavy. It will be really heavy, Mommy.
Mm-hmm.
So heavy.
Yeah, you wanna help? A lot of potato.
Mommy, I think I need your help because it's because I float the two potatoes here.
Okay.
We can make many French fries, so many customers can come to our house and get some of the French fries that we got.
Yeah.
Like a French fries that is $20.
$20.
It looks like 1 cup.
So ito yung harvest namin today.
Harvest
Potato.
potato.
There.
Harvest patatas.
Patatas. So ayan. I-pick up pa yan ni Anisha.
I'm having trouble because it's going to get heavy so we could carry it. What happened? What did you do to yourself, Mommy?
I got wet.
You got wet?
Look at the water here is flooding. So what are you eating?
Tomatoes.
So tell them if the kamatis is good or not.
It's good. If we put the water in, it makes the tomatoes go all around.
So how many kamatis you eat now?
I don't know how many I eat. The mouth is going round. It looks like a magic ball.
Okay.